Hello, Jensen. Hello, Joanna. All right. So today in science, we're going to learn about the sound. Basically, yesterday what we learned is that sound can travel through different materials. All right, just like you cover a clock, you hear the clock ticking through air, it's louder, or you hear if you put on your ear, it is nearer through, it is actually louder through solid. All right. So can we read this? Solid, liquid, and gas. Which way the sound transfer the fastest? Okay. Jensen, can you read the paragraph over here?
Sound travels better through some materials that through others. Look at the pictures to see what to do. Remember to stand the same distance away from the clock each time.
Okay, very good. Joanna, can you read the second part? Listen carefully. You're muted, Joanna.
Listen carefully. How well did you hear the sound each time? Draw a table like the one shown. In the table records how well you heard the sound through the different materials.
Right. Okay. So now this is what happened. Okay. Can you draw it on my screen? What do you think it happens? Okay, hold on, let me pull it up a little bit. Yep. Okay. In the air, in the water, in the wood, what do you think the loudness is? Okay, solid is the loudest. Liquid is a little bit louder. Air is the softest of them all. So which material has the best sound? The wood. So how do you make the investigate a fair test? Okay, make sure the source of the sound is the same distance. Okay, please type in the chat. How do you answer question number 2? Okay, please answer question number 2. How do you investigate to make sure it's a fair test? Basically, is that the source of the sound must be the same distance. So how do you write this? Can you please type in the chat?
Okay.
Type in the chat. The things not accurate. Okay, to be more accurate is that the distance between the source of sound to the listener is the same. Because the things must be the same, like distance. Distance between where? What is the things? Okay, the source of the sound. Okay, can you please type as what I type? Okay. All right. So do you think under the water, all the animals, do you think they can communicate? Like for example, you see like monkey that ooh, ah, ah, ooh, ah, ah. What about fish? What about whales? Do you think they do communicate through using sound? Yes, they do. Okay, so whales communicate with each other under the water. The sound travel a long, long way. All right, so sound do travel through different material. Sound travel through solid, liquid, or gas, but sound do not travel in vacuum. Okay, can you please type in the chat? Sound can't travel in vacuum. Sound can't travel in vacuum. So sound travel the best through solid. Okay. So next is that how does sound, what causes the sound is through the vibration. That's why we learn in the ear. It's called vibration. So vibration, you will see in the chart, it goes like almost like a heartbeat reader. Okay, so heartbeat reader. Okay, let me show you what is called sound wave. Okay, so that's why you play music, all this, you have this kind of thing. So this is what called the sound wave, going up and down, up and down. This is what you learn in Form 4, okay, about sound wave. All right, you learn in the physics class. Okay, Jensen, can you read this, please?
Sound are made when things vibrate. Vibration is a very quick movement back and forth. You often cannot see vibration, but you can feel them. Hold your hands in the middle of your throat and hum a tune. You will feel the vibration and hear the sound.
Okay, everyone, I want you to try to use two fingers, lightly put onto your voice box. Can you feel here like a little thing? Like people say tai keng pao here. That's where you talk. Okay, don't press too hard, if not you get choked. Okay, press a little bit. Can you try to hum a little bit sound or talk a little bit like all right, whenever you talk, can you feel that it's moving up and down? Okay, now let's try to do, instead of music class, we're doing science class. All right, try to do a low hum sound. Okay, try to do a little bit higher. Do you feel the vibration getting stronger?
I only can feel my neck.
It's not supposed to be your neck, it's supposed to be your voice box. Okay. Okay, vibration 是抖音. Okay.
I can feel the vibration.
Okay, if you try to go even higher pitch, the vibration is getting very strong. Can you feel it? Okay, when it's lower, then you feel the vibration is on the bottom. When it's higher, then you feel the vibration is on the higher side. You see? Can you see it moving? It go up. All right. So basically, what is vibration? Vibration is a movement back and forth. Movement 向前向后. Vibration is movement going back and forth. So sound is made out of vibration. Okay. So that's why if you talk, okay, you hear your computer or stuff like that, where the speaker there, you put your hand on the speaker side, okay, you feel a little bit of the vibration. Okay, that's how sounds create vibration. That is why wherever you want to have sound, you just use something, you knock on two things like. Okay, because when two things, you create vibrations. All right. Okay, Joanna, can you read this part? What is vibration?
Vibrating.
Vibrating.
Vibrating object through material.
Okay. We hear
sounds when the vibrations reach our ears. Sound travels because vibrations travel.
All right, so vibration basically travel everywhere in the air. All right, so that's pretty much about vibration. So we have kind of done about sound travel through different materials, solid, liquid, and gas. So today we want to know how sound travels. How sound travels. Okay, in this exercise, you will make a drawing to show the result of the investigation. Make a drawing to show that what will happen if you tap gently on the jar with a pencil. Okay, number 2, make a drawing to show what will happen if you tap hard on the jar. Label all the parts of the drawing. Okay, pretty much like this. If you tap on it, what will happen to vibration? A little bit. If you tap even harder, it goes jump higher. So that's what happens. Okay. Okay, so you need to draw. So you just draw, you tap with it with a pencil. Okay, then you put a little bit of the paper chips. You say, oh, it goes up and down, up and down. Okay, so when you even harder, you make it harder, you make it softly. Disco jumps, doing, doing so high up. Okay. Okay, it shows that the vibration is stronger. Okay, withdraw it on your book, into your book. Okay, once you finish drawing, we'll go to the bottom part.
I haven't finished drawing.
Okay, go ahead, slowly draw. Okay, done. Okay. A, can Jensen read A?
When you tap the jar, it makes the rice grains.
Okay, tap the jar, the rice grain, you.
Let's
摇动，震动 will vibrate. That's right. Okay. What travel through the jar and plastic wrap to the rice? Vibrations. Okay. C, Joanna.
the rice grains move less when you tap the jar gently. The rice grains move more when you tap the jar hard.
Very good.
Teacher, you typed wrong. The D you typed wrong. It's
Oh,
it
more.
is more.
That's right. Sorry. Okay, done.
Green. I show mine.
Nice drawing. I can see both you and your sister love drawing so much. Okay, so
Go to learn drawing.
no wonder. Okay, sound is produced by
Vibrations.
very good. Vibration.
I go to find my I go to find the charger because my computer haven't have more battery already.
All right. Vibration travels through. Let's skip this first. Okay, because it travels through air, it travels through water, it travels through anything. Okay, it's a type of energy that we can hear. What is a type of energy?
Sound.
Sound. Sound is a type of energy. Okay. Sound travel through these two.
Sound travel.
Okay.
Charging.
Okay. I think this is air, this is water, and travels to the eardrum. Okay, simple. This worksheet is very simple, isn't it? Okay, next, a little bit harder. Not this, not this. It's loud sound. No, not this one. Okay, feel the vibration. Okay, vibration. When a person sings the vocal cord in the throat, that makes the air vibrate back and forth. This vibration travels through the air to your ears. Okay, you hear the vibrating air as sound. Try feeling a vibration in your throat when you sing. Okay, which is what we did. Sound is a type of energy. Okay, please type in the chat. Sound is a type of energy. Okay, heat is a type of energy. Sound is also a type of energy. Okay, so sound is a type of energy. Please type in the chat. Sound is a type of energy. Sound is a type of energy. Okay, good. So sound travels as a vibration. Please type. Sound travels as vibration. Okay, so this is a science activity.
I haven't typed already.
Okay, waiting for you. Okay, so Joanna, whenever you're ready, let me know. Here are two children using a string walkie-talkie, which is what I told you guys how to do. Okay, let me show you how you can do string walkie-talkie. Since today is Friday, you can do this at home. Okay, you can take a tin can, aluminum can, or you can take even a paper cup or a plastic cup or any recycle item. Fix it with a snake as with a string. Okay, the thicker the better. Thin is also fine. Okay, so you see, you can actually talk to each other. All right. So this is how you make your own string phone. Okay, later I'll show you. Okay, because it's weekend, so I can show you that you can do it over the weekend. All right, so write number 1 to 5 how the vibration actually works. Okay, so the string vibrate, the vibration are heard by the ear. The girl vocal cord vibrate, the air vibrate in the girl's container, the air vibrate in the boy's container. So very good. Number 1. Number 1, the girl have to talk first, right? When the girl talk first, what happened first? Very good. The girl's vocal cord vibrate. Okay, after that, then after vibrate, where the vibration goes to?
The boys contain
Girl's container first. Because the girl is talking, so the girl's container would have the sound first. After it goes through the girl's container, how does it go to the boy? The string. Very good. Then after it goes through the string. After the string, what happened? It goes to the boy's container. Then after that, you can hear, oh, that's what she's saying. Oops. That's correct. Okay. All right. No worries. The answer is wrong. You just take picture like this. All right. This is the correct answer. All right. Ignore it. Okay. Ignore the auto marking because auto marking is more. Okay. Do you want to learn how to do it so you can do it over the weekend? Let's see.
Very basic phone, no touchscreen I'm afraid, but it's a real communication device. All you need is some strings, 2 cups, a sharp object, a skewer or a needle, or even a sharpened pencil, and scissors. Be careful when using scissors or any sharp tools. Cut a long piece of string. Since I'm in a small room, I'm going to cut around 2 meters, but you can use any other length depending on where your friends are. Now take the 2 cups, poke a small hole in the bottom of each cup. Now thread the string through each cup and tie knots at each end to prevent the thread from pulling out through the cup. The arcade telephone is ready. To use this, move into position with you and a friend holding each end of the cup so the string becomes tight, and make sure nothing touches the string. One person talks into one cup while the other person holds it to the air and listens.
Okay, the trick is that it must hold tight. It's that you cannot have like, okay, later I'll show you.
hello, 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 hello.
To try this for yourself at home, find a friend and use these ingredients. 2 paper cups, a sharp object, scissors, string.
Okay, so let me share on the whiteboard. Okay. If there is a cup and a cup, okay, if the string is not straightened, the vibration is harder to transfer. Okay, so you can't really hear very clearly. So you want to use it most effectively, the string has to be tightened. Okay, then it's like very easy to vibrate. Then you can send it over. Understand? Okay, and also make sure when you poke the hole that time underneath here, okay, you poke a hole, make sure it's just right. Don't poke a big hole, okay? Then it's like the air can come out through. Understand? Okay, so if you like, this would be your weekend activity with your brother and sisters. You like that? Yep.
The
Sorry.
is it we do like
Oh, sorry.
I share my screen will do.
It's okay. I just opened it. What is it?
Like is it the cup?
Mhm.
Is it like this? Like this. Like this. Put a little hole only, not a big hole.
Yep. Hold just enough for you to put the string.
The string inside and tie it a bit things like this.
Yep. Just
And,
enough for it to tie in a filter.
And the string must be tight.
Yes, it's not like a mask, but you can do an experiment with your sister, with Jane, let's say, both of them holding like this straight. Okay, you can hear clearer, or she stand nearer here, and then this thing become loose. Which one can hear better? Try to do experiment and let me know on Monday. Set? Okay. So that's pretty much all for today's lesson. So we have finished everything about sound can vibrate. Okay. All right. So that's pretty much all for today. Any questions so far? All right.
No. No.
Okay. So that's all for today. Bye.